Now Foods, Organic Essential Oils, Bergamot, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Certified organic and 100% pure USDA organic citrus bergamia purity tested, quality assured certified organic by KAI. Aroma, sweet, fruity, citrus. Attributes, lively, inspiring, uplifting. Extraction method, cold pressed from fruit peel. Mixes well with cedarwood oil, tangerine oil, chamomile oil. Suggested use. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients. Organic bergamot oil, 100% pure. Warnings. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Do not use on skin. Reacts strongly to sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. National essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.